Hello Year 3, it's me Mr Harney. I'm going to take you through today's maths feedback on your tables maths assessment that you took on Monday. First of all, well done to everyone, a fantastic effort as always. It's really good to see. There are two questions that I'd like to go through with you, and to be honest they were quite tricky. So let's get my pen ready. There we go. So this question here is asking us how many more magazines were sold on Thursday rather than Wednesday. Now in the question it says number of magazines, so I don't need this part of the table, okay? I'm not looking at that part of the table. And it says Thursday and Wednesday, so I'm looking at Wednesday and Thursday. Now it says how many more magazines were sold on Thursday rather than Wednesday. So I want to know the difference between the number that was sold there, which is 87, and the amount that was sold there on Thursday, which is 223. So I'm going to put 223 into my bar model here, and I'm going to put 87 here, and a question mark here. Now the question mark shows me the difference between the two numbers, okay? And I know that 87 was sold on Wednesday and 223 was sold on Thursday. So what I need to do is take 87 away from 223, and if you see here, these bits, these blocks, bars, are now the same size. So I know if I take 87 away from 223, I will find my missing number. So let's get busy then and use a written method to do that. Now I'm using Mr Barnard's board, so it's set up for a right-handed person. As you can see, I'm left-handed, so I'm going to dive over there. Apologies if you see a bit too much of my back or shoulder. Okay, so let's change the pen colour. Get that going on the red there, lovely. So let's use a method that we have used in maths. So 200, set it up properly, 200, 20, and then a 3, take away 80, and 7. Now straight away, I can see a problem here. I can't take 7 from 3, I've only got 3. I can't take 7 away, so I'm going to need to exchange a 10. So let's make 20 become 10, and put that 10 there, okay? I'm now going to take care of the ones, because I can do 13, take away 7. Now 7 plus 7 is 14, so 7 plus 6 will be 13. So I know that 13 take away 7 will leave me with 6. 6 plus 7, 13. Okay, I know I've got that correct. Now 10 take away 80. Again, I can't do it. It's not going to happen. There's not enough to take away. You can only take away 10 if you've got 10. You can't take away 80. So I'm going to have to exchange from the hundreds. So 200 becomes 100, and 10 becomes 110. Now I'm going to count forward this time, because that will be the quickest way to find the difference. So 80, 90, 100, 110. 110, take away 80, leaves me with 30. Now I've got 100 here in the hundreds column, take away nothing, leaves me with 100. So 100 plus 30 plus 6 gives me 136. So I know that how many more magazines were sold on Thursday than Wednesday? Well, 136 were sold, because I've taken away what was sold on Wednesday from the total that was sold on Thursday, and that has given me the difference between the two numbers. Okay, so I'm missing number on here. Let's see if I can change the colour. Would be 136. We can check that. We can do 136 plus 87. Okay, so 7 plus 6 gives me 13. 80 plus 30 gives me 110. 80, 90, 100, 110. And then 100 plus 100 will give me 200 at the end. So let's add these up. So 223, which is the number we started with. So we know we are correct. Lovely stuff. Okay, I'm going to swap back over here. Let's have a look at our next question. So this is quite a beefy one. There's a few stages to it, so bear with me and hopefully we'll get through it together. I'm going to change back to red. I'm not sure how well green shows up at home. There we go, perfect. Okay, so this question. There were 650 newspapers sold in total. How many newspapers were sold on a Wednesday? So we're dealing with the newspaper part of this question, but we don't know how many were sold on Wednesday. No one's written it down. But we do know there are 650 altogether. So Monday plus Tuesday plus Wednesday plus Thursday plus Friday will equal 650. So what we need to do is add together the numbers we do know and then see if we can take that away from 650 to give us our missing day. Okay? Now you need to use a written method for this. You won't be able to do it all in your head. Okay? So let's start and put our numbers in place. So 126 plus 148 plus 150 and then 103. Okay? And let's work it through like this. So quick change of the colour, let's go for purple. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 11 plus 6 gives me 17. So we put that in there, that's the ones taken care of. Now on to the tens. 50 plus 40 gives me 90, plus another 20, 90, 100, 110. And then I need to add up my hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay? Nice and simple. If you take it one column at a time, you'll be fine. Okay? 7 plus 0 gives me 7. 10 plus 10 gives me 20. 400 plus 100 gives me 500. I now know that Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday is 527. Plus the Wednesday would give me 650. So I need to do the same. I need to find a difference, and to do that I'm going to take away. So 650, let's write this in here, 650 0 ones. Take away 520 and 7 ones. Okay? So 0 take away 7, straight away I can see a problem with that. I can't do it, I haven't got enough to take away. So I'm going to have to borrow from the tens. So 50 becomes 40, and that 10 comes over here. Now 10 take away 7, we know that from number bonds, that will leave us with 3 ones. 40 take away 20, well 4 take away 2 is 2, so 40 take away 20 is 10 times bigger, will leave me with 20. And then 600 take away 500, well 6 take away 5 is 1, make that 100 times bigger, 600 take away 500 is 100. Add these together, 100 plus 20 plus 3 is 123. So we know that on Wednesday we must have sold 123 newspapers. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please let us know. Take good care of yourselves and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.